In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can get ruby and refine it into cut ruby. It's pretty simple, though you'll be doing this somewhat late game. All you need to do is head across to a dry valley biome. For me, this is very far away from my base, but once you get here, find yourself a cave entrance that pretty much always looks something like this, indicated on the map like this when you go into it. We'll head in there, but just keep in mind you should have at least one cool-headed charm, if not 3 preferably, and maybe something like a snowberry shake to give you protection against heat for at least 10 minutes. This will be very useful later on as it gets very hot down here. As you can already see, I'll be losing HP pretty much immediately, so I'll consume my shake, which should give me quite a bit of heat resistance. Now we can start exploring in here. Eventually you'll find these red things on the wall, granite, but these things, if we chop them up with our green pickaxe, you'll see that we get a whole bunch of stuff in return, and these are rough rubies. We can cut these at a gem cutter like we do amber, which is this thing over here, and we can use them in different recipes. That's pretty much it. I'll head back to the base to show you how to cut them when you eventually have that machine. Eventually, when you get back to your base, in order to refine it, you need to put down a gem cutter. Now we can interact with this, and inside of it, we'll see a brand new recipe, cut ruby. If we change the recipe to this, when we've crafted a few of these, we'll have a whole bunch of things that we can make. Now that we have some cut ruby, we can use this in crafting, upgrading, etc. Anyways, that's really about it for the super quick guide. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!